Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 72 for multi-vendor e-commerce website in Django with React.js. In this video, we will perform the delete functionality for the product. Right? In our previous video, we have seen that how we can delete the particular image from the featured from the total images from the product images. Right? So if I select here, and this is I'm showing for the previous video, and if I submit this here, then you can see that the images are not showing here. Why? Let's see. All right, so we have seller products. Let's go to update product, and we have here product images. Let's check the 127 admin, and this is admin, right? So don't save product and Django scripts. We don't have any images, so let's go to 22. Let's check this one. Let's open the console also, so that we can easily identify what is the issue, right? So let's select one, submit. It's saying form update. This one, we have 4 images. Response, yes, images are going here and images are going here. Okay, so images are coming, right? Now if we perform so if we perform the delete functionality, here you can see that it is deleting, right? So now we are going to apply the delete functionality on the product, and we will also give this edit link to this edit button, right? So let's define the links first, then we will try the upload functionality. Okay, so seller product, and here we have a delete. So what we will do, we need a link here, and let's do this link to, and what we have, actually we need to give this thing to here, right? And then the same thing, no need for the single quotes, right? And the same thing for delete product for, okay, delete product, right? And then here we'll add a link and link, right? And we'll say here on click, we'll say return confirm, let's say show confirm, right? Show confirm, let's create a function for the show confirm function, and we'll say here return confirm are you sure to delete this product, right? And then it will return the true or false, right, according to the pop-up, okay or cancel. Okay, use of unexpected show confirm. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, let's define here. Confirm is not working here. Okay, let's do alert. Are you sure to delete this? And let's say where, okay, let's see that. Click here, escape. Let's define where response equal to this console dot response. Okay, let's see what it returns when we click OK. Click OK. Undefined. I think it will delete. Let's say confirm in React.js. Confirm window in React. So we have Stack Overflow, we have this one, on click window.confirm. Okay, so we need to use window.confirm. Okay, let's check that now. Delete, cancel, right? And if we click here, it will go to edit product. Now we can apply the delete functionality, right? So let's say where response, and if response will be true, then we will sorry if response true, then we will go to, or we will take further action, right? So let's go here, let's go to product, let's go to delete, let's go to cancel, false, delete, okay, true. So what we will say, let's say confirm. So we'll say if confirm, then we will apply the delete functionality, right? So let's search one more thing, delete in fetch, right? So let's go here. So we have fetch method, fetch, and then we need to define the method here, right? So what we will do, copy this, paste here, right? And we have a base URL, and we also need one more thing, method, and we will say delete, right? And the base URL will be, we have this base URL, we don't need this one. Let's go to main, let's go to backend and URL, and we have product here, and let's go to product detail and see what we are doing in the product detail. So retrieve, update, destroy, right? So we are doing three things, retrieve, update, and destroy, right? So what is the URL here, product slash product ID, right? So we need to pass one, we need to pass here show confirm, this one, and we'll pass here product dot ID, right? And here we will pass product ID, and product ID will be here, right? So now it should work. Could not find base URL, why? Okay, let's define in the function. Oh, I understand, this should be like this. Okay, so we tried Axios, we tried fetch API. Now let's see this, what it will do if we delete the product. Set product data dot result, fetch data, use effect, Let's see. Okay, so refresh here, delete, delete. Okay, uncaught syntax error. Yep. Unexpected end of data at line number 1. That's the issue. Request, response, no response available, header. Oh, data is deleted. What we need to do? Let's do one thing. Let's console here. Let's delete this one, right? Let's console the response, because maybe it is not returning the data, right? So if this one, okay, so delete. Okay, this one, response, console, response, right? So status 204, right? And text will say here, if status, if response dot status equal to, if response dot status equal to 204, then we'll say fetch products, right? So delete. Okay. Oh, sorry. All right, so now let's delete. Okay, here you can see that data is deleting, right? So see, right? So we have also applied the delete functionality, so it means our CRUD is completed now, right? So delete, 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 right? So now you can do one more thing. You can try multiple delete functionality, like you can add a checkbox and try to delete the multiple delete functionality, so admin can delete multiple product at the same time, right? Now in our next video we will work on the orders. So we completed our products, we completed our ad product. Now we will work on the orders, right? So in the next video we'll work on that. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, like this video, like this channel, share this channel, share this video, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you are learning too many things from this series, from this channel, right? And if you are learning, then please support me. I have given the link here, and if you need the source code of this project, then you can go to github.com/codeartisanlab, and you can just go to multi-vendor e-commerce, and here, from here, you can see the simple step. This is very big support for me, so you can support me, right? And you can just send me the git username and I will give you the access of the source code, right? So I have available the source code here. If I go to the repositories, it will be there, right? So thank you so much for watching the video. Please stay tuned with the Code Artisan Lab, and thank you.